Hey, what's up everybody? Ryan here from Tweak My Device. Is anybody else annoyed at how difficult it is to remove the back cover from the Bionic? Exactly the opposite from my previous phone, the Droid X, which I would put that in my holster and take it out and the back cover would just fall off. But this thing, I feel like I'm going to rip the phone in half when I'm taking that back cover off. I think I found a way to make it a lot easier. Just kind of stand the phone up on something and support it, and get just a regular old credit card. And what I found is that if you gently wedge it in here, okay, you can pry that up, and once you have that pried up, just pull it down onto the side. There you go. And you'll pop that off. And you didn't scratch anything because you used this little plastic card. We're just going to go ahead and ease the rest of the case off there. Just gentle, steady pressure with our fingers. There. Not bad at all. Easiest way I've found to do it. And I've taken this cover off, I don't know, about a dozen or so times, and I'm noticing that I'm getting some creakiness right in here when it's snapped together. Well, I thought about something to do to fix that, and it seems to be right in this little area. So I cut a piece of tape. Just a small piece of electrical tape, and you can see I put a little notch in it there because your case clips into this little slot, so you need to leave that open. So I'm just going to ease it right onto there. And you may have to make some minor adjustments, but this is basically just going to give a little more thickness to this panel. There's the tape on there. And hopefully it'll stop it from creaking so much. Another thing I found that I feel like improves the creakiness just a little bit is if you start from the bottom, putting the case on, just like that. Go ahead and put your fingers in there. Alright, and then just kind of push it down and work it up as you go. Until you get to the top where you finally click it in place. And now I'm holding it. That feels really solid. That's what it needed, guys. There's no movement at all right there. So try that little trick for your Droid Bionic battery cover. Get rid of the creakiness. Take care and happy tweaking.